Hi, my name is David and I am from Thales and I want to show you what I received today. So I received the IoTCreators ENS22-E DevKit. IoTCreators is a company by Deutsche Telekom and we partner with them together. So let's take a look at first what is this bundle here, what I received. So you see the box of the Cinterion ENS22-E DevKit. The first thing that we see are a small kickstart guide with a QR code, links, how to, and so on. We see we have a SIM card here from IoTCreators and we have our ENS22. We did a dedicated video for that, for the ENS22-DevKit, how to operate it, how to connect it, and so on. So we will cross-link it below this video. We have also another startup guide for the DevKit itself. We have cabling, an antenna, and so on. So what is IoTCreators? So IoTCreators, it's a complete solution. So it's not only that small little SIM card, it's a complete platform for IoT. So with that, you have basically everything what you need to get started and kick off your IoT project. So you simply need to register your device, what you receive on the IoTCreators platform. Therefore, you will need the IMEI number, which is written on here and is also written on the shield of the module itself. So type it in, your device is registered, and you can instantly basically connect to the network and transmit data to their platform. And if you want to learn more about this, on the 13th of April, IoTCreators is doing their install fest, so we will be also there and explaining a little bit more in detail what we do with that bundle and give you a little bit more detail and the how-to step-by-step instruction. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you will enjoy your IoTCreators ENS22-E DevKit, and I hope to see you at the Install Fest. Bye.